Hello, world. Hello. Come back with you again, another video. I know you guys seen this group page on April 10th, 2023. Come back with you again with a follow-up video about fire your own boss, non-postcard business out there. If you don't have a postcard business, I have a solution for you. You start getting a postcard business in your own house. All you need is stamps, peel and stick label, and the product postcard. Like it see here. This is one of my group pages. Right here. All you do is uh, postcard this, and you can go to that website, 505, and you can implement your request your kit. That's simple. That's simple. So yeah, that's simple about postcard business, and you're good to go. You guys already seen this video. I'm not gonna play it again. I'm just doing a follow-up video about how a postcard works. All you do is need peel and stick label, the copy of the postcard, and you are ready to go. Join now, right here. That's what it says now. Join now, get your kit in the mailbox, and you are good to go. That's how much it costs. $50 to get started, and you are good to go. You get all that. You get all this. $50, and you get all this. Cheap. Phase program. That's how much it costs to get started. So it's really nothing to talk about. Non-business owners out there, gotta get the postcard. That's what the postcard look like. I'll let this video play for a minute. So there you go. That was a short video. That's what I do from home. More videos. Yeah, you can go to my group page. It's called Fire Your Own Boss. You will see the same image that I'm sharing with you on this video on 10th of April, 2023. This is what I do from home. Very simple. There's another postcard right here. As you can see here, go to that website. My number is 505, and you'll get your kit in the mailbox, like what I'm doing now. That's simple. Painless. Painless job. It don't hurt to put a postcard in the mailbox. It don't hurt. It's painless. Unless you want some paper cuts, but the postcard is not going to hurt you. It is not going to hurt you at all. So, I mean, this is what the postcard look like. This is what it's offering right here. That's what's offering right there. I can't zoom no more. But yeah, that's what's offering right there. Yeah. So I'm just doing up a follow-up video about Cash Building System Unlimited. Very easy, painless job. All you do is put your postcard together, stamps, lead, and drop it off in the mailbox. That's simple. Opportunities knocking. This is what you need to work your postcard business. Right there. You need stamps and lead. Without no stamps, the post office won't accept your any mails if you don't have a stamp on it. So we cannot run that. We cannot run from working from home. You need stamps and leads. If you put a stamp on there, you're good to go. They'll accept it. If you don't have no stamps on there, it'll come right back to your house. So yeah, this was the offering right here. That's the comp plan. There you can see it. Yeah, that's the comp plan. I mean, I don't know what else to say. That's the. I'll let the video play. All right, there you go. So, so there you go. They really, that's it. Postcard business. This was my first pay last year. I need this keep coming in. That's my first $25. Somebody join me or whatnot. I like this quote. We have to set goals and a plan to able to be the best we can be. I approve this message. $150 investment, my Rest Club. So yeah, I'm with Mailbox Benjamin as well. So I don't know what else to say. All right, come back with you again with another video.